Our today's topic is trigonometric functions derivatives. So first of all, we want to know that the derivative of the some basic trigonometric identities, say that I sine theta is equals to cos theta. The cos theta derivative of cos theta is equals to minus sine theta. The derivative of tan theta is equals to sec square theta. The derivative of cosec theta is equals to minus cosec theta cot theta, and the derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta, and the derivative of cot theta is equals to minus cosec square theta. So we will use these basic derivatives to solve our questions. So now I want to write some other type formulas. Let's see. If you have sine box theta or box x, so the derivative of this type of function is sine box x into the derivative of the box. Inside the box you have such type of variables or constants. So start from the first question. Y is equals to cos ax plus b. So the derivative of cos ax plus b is the derivative of cos theta is equals to minus sine theta. So I will call this thing as box. So derivative of cos box is sine box, and the derivative of box. So box is ax plus b. So the derivative of ax is a, and the derivative of b is 0. So finally we get minus a sine ax plus b. So I repeat again this formula: d over dx sine box is equals to cos box into derivative of d upon dx of box. Clear? Now question is y is equals to 10, 2x plus 3. So the derivative is sec square 2x plus 3, and the derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2. So I can write 2 at the left hand side for decreasing our steps. So now y is equals to cot 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube. So the derivative of this thing is minus cosec square this box, and now we want to find the derivative of this thing. So if you find this derivative, so you must apply the division formula, which is u upon v. So apply it and get the result, which is like that. Next is y is equals to sec tan x minus cot x. So inside the angle you have an identity of trigonometric identities. So first of all, the derivative of sec theta or sec x is sec x tan x, and then you must find the derivative of the box. Your box is tan x minus cot x. So after that, in the multiplication from these two functions, you must find the derivative of tan x minus cot x. So finally the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and the cot x is cosec square minus cosec square. So here it is a minus sign. So correct it. So finally you will get plus and then plus, right? So it's your final answer. Next is y is equals to under root sine 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. So first of all, apply the root identity. So the root identity is d upon dx. under root x is equals to 1 over 2 root x. It's a very basic identity. So if you find the derivative of root x, so you will get 1 over 2 root x. And if you have derivative of root of box, so which is equals to 1 over 2 under root box and then the derivative of box, right? So here we are applying such type of formula. You have a function which is like a box, 1 over 2 root box, and then the derivative of sine this thing, the derivative of this thing, sine 3x square minus 5x plus 7. So the derivative of sine is cos and the angle is same, and then again the derivative of this one angle 3x square minus 5x, which is 6x minus 5. So finally you can write in this manner. Next is y is equals to cos 2x divided by sine square 3x. So here we are applying the division identity. So in the denominator sine 4x 3x, and here v same the derivative of u, which is cos 2x. The derivative of cos 2x is equals to minus 2 sine 2x, then minus u same the derivative of v, the derivative of sine square x is equals to 2 sine 3x into the derivative of angle and the derivative of sine 3x. So it's a little bit confusing. So sine square x d upon dx. If you find this such type of derivative, so first of all write the power in the left hand side, sine 2 minus 1 x, and then the derivative of this thing which is inside the power, which is sine x. So the derivative of sine x is equals to cos x. So finally you get 2 sine x power 1 cos x, right? So in the same way you can find the derivative of sine square 3x. So 2 at the left hand side and then sine 3x power 1, and then the derivative of sine 3x, 3 cos 3x, and then rearrange it or write your final answer. Y is equals to under root sine root x. So the derivative, first of all applying root identity, which is 1 over 2 root x, and then 1 over 2 root box, and the derivative of box, the box is sine root x. So the derivative of sine root x is cos root x, and then again the derivative of root x. So the derivative of root x is equals to 1 over 2 root x. So finally you will get cos under root x divided by combining these two things you will get this result. Next is y is equals to under root x plus 1 10 cube x. So apply here the product rule, u same the derivative of v, which is 10 cube x. So 3 power at the left hand side, and then power minus 1, 3 minus 1, which is 2, and then the derivative of this thing which is inside the power. So the inside the power is 10x. So the derivative of 10x is sec square x, plus this thing same, v same, and then the derivative of u. The derivative of u is 1 over 2 root x plus 1. Finally rearrange it and you will get final answer. Y is equals to 10 sin x plus cos x. So the derivative of 10x is sec square x. So it's your x, and the derivative of it's your box, and the derivative of this box is cos x minus sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x, and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So finally you will get this type of answer. Y is equals to sine under root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x. So first of all, write the derivative of sine x, which is cos under root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x, and then applying the division rule in this thing, which is 1 plus 2x 1 minus 2x. So first of all, before applying the division rule, you must have the derivative of under root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x. So first of all, you can write at the place of this one step extra term, which is 1 over 2 root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x, right? So this is your extra term. So, and finally include this term in the calculation and you get the final result. Here is a very big mistake. So I repeat again this one question: y is equals to sine under root 1 plus this. So first of all, the derivative of sine x is equals to cos x, and then the derivative of this one thing. So the derivative of this thing is 1 over 2 root 1 plus 2x divided by 1 minus 2x, and then the derivative of this thing. So the derivative of this thing you will find by using division rule. So here is the missing term, which I write here: 1 over 2 under root 1 plus 2x and 1 minus 2x. It's your missing term. So now include it and you correct your answer. After calculation you will get here another type of variables. Thanks for watching.